Hi tubers, we have an 08 Buick Lucerne 3.8 engine, no start, okay? The scanner in the data mode shows 0 RPMs. So I'm going directly to the module. It's the old type of module, and things that I check there are very simple. I check power, first wire, ground, second wire. Then I go straight to the signals from the crank sensor, which is this and this, those two next to the bolt. Okay, the colors are a little different, doesn't matter. Then there's a cam signal also next wire. Everything has to be checked on the scope. I got the scope ready, so right there. Let's get to it. The first one is power during cranking. Pink wire, power, right here. Where is it? Right here. Okay, this is power during cranking. Power is there. Would you crank it like this? Yeah. Crank the engine like this. Okay. Power is there.
Leave the ignition on?
Leave the ignition on, please. Yes. Power is there. Next one is ground. I already checked it. It's good. Then the interesting ones are the signals from the crank sensor. It's this and this next to the next and this and this crank sensor signal to the module. Crank sensor to the module. Right here, two ones. Okay, it's purple, blue, and 10 something. Okay, go ahead, crank it up, please. Okay, good signal. Up, stay there for one more signal. Stay there, please. And this is the next one. Go ahead, please. Okay, two good signals from the crank sensor. Now cam sensor is the next one. Cam sensor is the next one. Over here is the next one. Black. Okay. Right there. Cam sensor. Two, again, we're checking the signal to the module, to the ignition module from the cam sensor this time. From the cam sensor. Go. Okay, wait, I lost it. Go ahead, please. Okay, alright. Maybe I took the wrong wire before I had that signal. Try me again.
Again?
Okay. Alright, I gotta put it on hold and double check.